Hi guys, I'm Woodcraft CZ, aka Paul. Today we're in the IGM HQ. We're going to be showcasing this lovely set of chisels from their new line and why they should be part of your woodworking arsenal. So, these chisels are going to cover a vast array of cutting and carving tasks with wood, from cleaning up mortises to cutting intricate dovetails, and even the simplest of tasks such as taking the glue beads off the glue up you've just taken out of the clamps. These chisels have got you covered from beginner woodworker all the way up to experienced master craftsman. Let's kick things off with going over some of the features. Starting with the fact that there are 9 different sizes available, running from 6mm all the way up to 40mm. So every imaginable application for a chisel is covered. Cutting a dovetail to building a pergola. What makes these chisels extra special are the narrow tapered blade edges to allow for precision dovetail working, allowing you to carve out between tight-knit tails. The blades are forged and have a hardness of 60 on the Rockwell scale. Now that's what you want from a chisel. This allows for a fine ground blade with a 25-degree bevel and polished surface to provide low friction, maintaining that sharp edge while making it easy to sharpen when needed. Now let's move up from the business end. As we look up from the blade, we start to see the leather washer just below the stainless steel ferrule. This leather washer allows for shock absorption, reducing any unnecessary resonance from the mallet all the way down, transferring to the tip of the chisel and the stock that you're working on. This comes in particularly handy when you're constantly working with the chisel. Moving up from that, we have these lovely hand-polished handles made of durable hornbeam wood, finished with a paste wax. I have to say, outstanding. They have a great size for the palm of your hand to fit, and the balance is superb. You can position the chisel's blade where you need it to be with very little effort, as it's so ergonomic in your hand. I especially noticed this when I first used the chisels, making a case for them and cutting the dovetails where accuracy was vital. They performed phenomenally. When buying these chisels, they come with a protective film that covers the metal of the chisel. This can be removed by using a simple solvent, such as acetone, or my preference is just to give them a quick grind on any grindstone or sharpening jig, but either way, it's a very easy process to remove. What I also love about these chisels is that they can be used with mallets of either type. You can use the round or the flat mallet. And now the icing on the cake. These are homemade in the Czech Republic. Mwah. So we can be proud to provide them for you all over the world. So guys, this brings me to the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. Be sure to check out our other videos and look out for all our future videos coming up on our channel. Until then, happy woodworking guys, and take it easy.